I'm Dylan from ThermoPro, and this is the introduction for the TP20. I'm now going to show you how to sync and assemble your TP20. First, put the batteries into the smaller device, the transmitter, and put the backing on. After this, put the batteries into the larger device, the receiver. The devices should pair automatically. When this is complete, put the probes into their sockets, and the transmitter will start sending the temperature to the receiver. I'm now going to show you how to use the TP20 in a typical oven setting. You're going to insert your meat probe into the meat. Today we are using a second meat probe as an oven probe with the clip, but you can also just use this other probe for another piece of meat if you'd like. I'm now going to demonstrate the functions of the TP20. Press the power button to start. Use the mode button to switch through probe 1, probe 2, and the timer. To start a count up timer, simply press the start button and the timer will start to count up. To stop this timer, press start and slash stop button again. To start a countdown timer, use the arrow to change the minutes and then the seconds, and press start to start the timer. You can stop it and hold clear to get back to 0. Use the light button to turn on the light and turn it off, or press and hold this button to change from Fahrenheit to Celsius or back to Fahrenheit. If you use the mode button, you can go back to your probe settings, which have presets already set for certain types of meat. To change these presets, press the meat button. We have veal, chicken, pork, poultry, lamb, fish. The oven, which will idly measure the internal temperature of your oven with the probe, or your program where you set your own setting. There's ground beef, ground poultry, beef, and then back to veal. You can also set the taste. So if I go to beef, I can press the taste button and switch from medium to medium well to well done. You can then just turn off the device when you're finished, and those are the functions of the TP20. I'm now going to demonstrate the TP20 and its alarm function. Right now we have probe 1 set to 80 degrees, and once it goes past 80, the alarm will sound letting us know it's finished. You can press the stop button to stop the alarm. I'm now going to demonstrate the TP20's countdown alarm function. Right now it's set at 10 seconds, counting down. Once it gets to 0, the alarm will sound. Press stop to stop the alarm, and you're done.
With Intelitopia's CT6R Bluetooth-compatible smart cooking thermometer, never ruin a meal ever again. Equipped with 6 food-grade stainless steel probes that can withstand temperatures up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit and Bluetooth wireless capability. Expand your culinary skills, serve dishes of perfection, all while monitoring the temperature remotely via smartphone app. Simply connect, set, and dine in. With preset profiles meeting USDA food safety guidelines, never have to worry about the possibilities of uncooked food. Create your own dish with customized profiles. Set alerts to notify you at a specific temperature or when temperatures are outside the desired range. Whether you're smoking, grilling, or set alerts to notify you at a specific temperature while you attend to more temperatures are outside the desired range. Cooking just got easier.